All right, let's take a look at the chart action for Ethereum. All right, so we got a rising channel going something like this. We're on the big time frame right now. We're on the daily, and this is looking very bullish, guys. What I'm thinking though is that we're about to come down and maybe test this trend line right here. It's possible that this line right here holds support though. All right, so let's zoom in a little bit. Right here, we're on the daily time frame, and we had support right here. We had support right here, and we had support right here. We've been getting rejected right here, and we've been getting rejected right here, which gives us this triangle pattern, guys. Are we going to break to the downside? Or are we going to break to the upside? What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. Anyways, we got this support coming in. I'm kind of curious if we're going to hold it. The one thing that's making me think that we're going to break to the downside though is that we have this 9 moving average coming in like this, guys. Right now, the price is below this 9 moving average. The one thing though, if you go to the weekly time frame, you can see that this 9 moving average right here has been giving us some support. We came down, tested it, came down, tested it, came down, tested it. Every time we went back up. And I have a feeling that this trend line right here is because of this weekly 9 moving average or something related to that. Right now, to kind of see what's happening, we can maybe draw a trend line going for something like this and see if the price can break this trend line right here. We're looking like we're still getting support, and it looks like these two trend lines are about to meet and one side is about to break out. Unless we start getting some big volume though, maybe expect it to kind of go sideways for a little bit and then maybe decide over here. Alright, if you guys like that video, hit that thumbs up button.